In 1969, humanity watched in awe as Neil Armstrong descended the ladder of the Lunar Module Eagle. He was about to take the first human steps on the moon, a dream that had once seemed impossible. Armstrong's journey began years earlier, fueled by curiosity and a relentless pursuit of discovery. He was a quiet, thoughtful man, but when he gazed at the night sky as a boy, he was captivated by the glowing silver orb that hung above. His fascination with the moon grew as he pursued a career as a pilot and eventually an astronaut. When NASA selected him for the Apollo program, he knew his life was about to change forever. On July 16, 1969, the massive Saturn V rocket launched from Kennedy Space Center, carrying Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins into space. It was the culmination of years of preparation. For 3 days, they traveled through the silent void. Technological breakthroughs and sacrifice. Earth slowly shrinking behind them as the moon grew larger in the distance.
If you're a space enthusiast, you'll know this moment well. Neil Armstrong's legendary first step on the moon. The door of the lunar module opened, and Armstrong slowly descended the ladder. The moon, an alien world of dust and rock, silent and still, lay before him. His heartbeat quickened. As his boot touched the surface, he uttered the words that would echo through history. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Armstrong was soon joined by Aldrin, and together they planted the American flag, conducted experiments, and collected samples. But in those quiet moments alone, when Armstrong stood on the moon's surface and looked back at the distant Earth, he felt a profound connection to all of humanity. The moon wasn't just a barren rock. It was a new frontier, a symbol of human achievement. After over 2 hours on the surface, Armstrong and Aldrin returned to the Eagle and reunited with Collins in lunar orbit. Their return to Earth was celebrated worldwide. For Armstrong, the real triumph was knowing that humankind had taken its first steps beyond the cradle of Earth. For the rest of his life, Armstrong remained humble. The moon landing was the result of countless people working together to achieve the impossible. He was the first to land on the moon, but believed it was only the beginning of humanity's journey into the cosmos.